Are you suffering from power cuts? Our battery backup systems are the perfect solution for you. The more electricity you use, the more you pay for your electricity bill. The sun can free you from those tears. With Safeway Solar Solutions, you can save money without spending it on electricity bills. So switch to solar with Safeway Solar Solutions. All our panels and inverters are advanced in technology and manufactured following the highest quality standards. We are specialists in off-grid, on-grid, and hybrid solar solutions in Sri Lanka. Safeway Solar, happiness beyond life.